Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disable pop-up blocker in your Google Chrome in a very simple way. So you just need to simply go for your Google Chrome browser, and then you just need to search for google.co.uk, and then here you will find a view site information icon over here. So click on that, and then here you will get an option called site settings. Click on that. And after that, if you scroll down a little bit, you will find an option called pop-ups and redirects. So come over here and going to allow it. And after that, you just need to come over into your Google and then click on reload. And now it will set and allow your pops up. If you want to set it for any sites, then you just need to come over into this three dot, and then you just need to go for settings. And then you just need to go for at the left side called privacy and security. Click on that, and after that you just need to set site settings. Click on that, and after that you will get an option called pops up and redirect. So click on that. After that you will get that option called don't allow site to send pops up or use redirect. So you just basically need to click it called site can send pops up and use redirects, and from that it will pops up, and it will disable your pops up into your Google Chrome. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.